Ukrainian Marines are holding the bridgehead over Dnipro, and Russian defense is slowly crumbling there. Here is a shooting battle with the Russians on the left bank of the Dnieper.
Давай, 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 давай! Я иду. Давай, беги! Давай.
An interesting video was published by the Russians. On it, 2 Russian soldiers in the Avdiivka area found some kind of unexploded rocket in a field and competently declared that it was some kind of Western prodigy. Well, since they saw English inscriptions on its body. I don't know where these experts saw English letters on the body without seeing the Cyrillic markings KV and 3D. Apparently they don't even know the Russian alphabet, let alone the Latin alphabet. But their Prodigy missile turned out to be a Russian rocket for the thermobaric multi-launcher rocket system TOS-1A Solnsepek. But the video is interesting because this is the first captured missile that did not work in my memory. The second point is that this projectile is manufactured in 2023, that is for the Solnsepekov. The projectiles are literally driven from the assembly line. Well, the third is that the projectile actually falls on the heads of the occupiers themselves, which is due to the extremely limited flight range of the missile and the extreme proximity of the positions of the parties. Ukrainian authorities were quiet about the use of US-supplied Patriot air defense system on Russian territory until now. The spokesman of the Air Force of Ukraine confirmed the destruction of Russian aircrafts over the Bryansk region in May with the Patriot air defense system. Patriot air defense units destroyed 5 aircraft at once in 5 minutes. 1 Su-34, 1 Su-35, and 3 Mi-8S.
На хату що їхати? И вертолет наш. Глянь.
Russia has failed at the largest air show in the Middle East. Russian arms exporter didn't report signing any deals at the event. The largest aerospace exhibition in the Middle East, Dubai Air Show 2023, which brought together leading manufacturers of civil and military aircraft, seems to have ended in a fiasco for Rosoboronexport. Following the November event, Russian State Corporation, a member of the Rostec holding company and a monopolist in the supply of Russian arms for export, did not report the signing of a single contract. At the previous Dubai 2021 Salon, Rosoboronexport reported deals worth $1.3 billion, and in 2017 it boasted contracts worth $10 billion. At Russia's last arms show, Army 2023, the company agreed on sales worth $600 million, while a year earlier at a similar event, $390 million. The head of Rosoboronexport, Alexander Mikheyev, urged potential foreign customers on the first day of the salon not to be afraid of sanctions against the state corporation, which have blocked it from dollar payments since 2018. But neither the buyers nor the organizers of the exhibition were convinced. The Russian exposition in Dubai was evicted to the back of the exhibition space, away from global industry leaders such as Lockheed Martin, Boeing, and Airbus, which, according to Reuters, managed to sign contracts worth $67 billion. The only way Ukraine wins is if we now mobilize our industry and our will behind that. And do not tell me it's unaffordable, the retired British General Sir Richard Barrons said at the forum in Lucerne, Switzerland.
The only way Ukraine wins is if we now mobilize our industry and our will behind that. And do not tell me it's unaffordable, because you represent an economy of 15 trillion euros a year, and I can feed the Ukrainian military on about 75 billion euros a year for 2 or 3 years, and I can make them win. This is not about affordability. This is about choice and competence. And isn't it a bargain if we can defeat Russia's objections to you on a war in Ukraine where you only spend money, you do not spend your children? Bargain of the century.
Even though winter is currently making a big visit in Ukraine, it is only in the northern part that it looks like it will stay. Down in the southeast, where most of the battles are raging, it looks like it will mostly be plus degrees for the next 2 weeks. Some nights it will be minus, which means that it will be the treacherous, miserable thing that the mud freezes at night and then becomes liquid again in the morning. The roadless season is thus not over for a while in the front areas, even if Kiev will have quite wintry weather ahead, if the meteorologists are right.
Смотри, что там творится. Я не знаю, поедем?
Я не знаю.
Не, ну эти же доедут.
Глянь, как повыходила. Глянь.
Ukrainian defenders hold down the front lines in these conditions. A resident of Odessa region posted a video about how she found herself in a snow blockade at home. Weather conditions remain severe in Ukraine. The Germans decided to take revenge on the Poles for blocking the border with Ukraine. At the border between Germany and Poland, the German customs stopped the movement of all Polish trucks, and each one is thoroughly checked.
Все стоят. Это дорога, получается, Берлин, вход в Дрезден на Вроцлав. Чуть-чуть очередь такая вот. Почти как 40 километров, как на Корчеве, на Шегинях, на Рале стоят наши пацаны. Вот одни польские фуры стоят, и немцы всех тормозят, проверяют. Миллион вопросов, заполнить анкетки. Вот. Нормально, так. Пусть ощутят немного прелести.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.